So now that everything in here is all mixed up, we're going to pour the eggs back in the frying pan that I already put palm oil in. Pam oil, I'm sorry. I put Pam oil to make it like not stick once it's finished. Now we kind of wait.
Okay, go.
So now I'm going to place the cheese all around the omelet in a strategical way.
Oh, you with the veggies, go.
So now I'm going to add the onion, the sausage, and all this stuff on 1/2 of the omelet. And only 1/2 of the omelet. So now we're going to flip the omelet, and once we flip it, it's going to be nice and even. And if you mess up, it's okay, just turn it over again until you get it. Keep on trying. Alright. So there is the finished product.
You got here. Ready, go.
Alright. So now that it's all done, we're going to turn off the heat. Like so. And we're going to take this off. Alright. So now that we're done, we turned off the heat. We're going to now serve this on the plate, like so. Slide it off nice and gently. Be careful not to touch your skin on the frying pan. It's still hot. Now I'm going to serve my father with a nice omelet breakfast. With all sausage, this nice omelet, and all this fruit.
Oh, wait, here comes breakfast. Oh. Wow.
Bon appetit!
That's good.
Go.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this omelet. I hope you're really not allergic to it because you just sneezed all over it. So, bon appetit!